engine Honda Civic 4-cylinder 1.8 liter. I just want to let you know that if you want to change your timing belt or water pump yourself, so you need to make sure this arrow, I'm gonna point this out, this arrow could be up. It's a UP in here, and I just marked myself for this dot. Okay, try to focus on the and this dot, it's almost like the same side of this corner, and this same side and upside on this. And if you look on your crankshaft, gotta be, you're gonna choose the how I point this one, the last dot. So it's gonna be a point on this side. If it's on the motor, so if you look up on this attention pulley, so if look up down there, oh, I can, let me see, I'm trying to point that to you right here. If you look from it's this side, and let me see, I can find the light for you. Yeah, right there, that right there, and that. And if you turn and cranking, so where am I? Oh, I'm good. Right there, you can see it. That dot has to be in the top, that center. And these piston, if you take this coil off and put your screwdriver or dipstick poke in there, it should be up. That's cylinder number 1. And that should be about it.